So, carrying on from the previous video, we now want to reproduce the stress profile in Weibull++, and we're going to use the add-on of Weibull++ dedicated to accelerated live testing, formerly known as ALTA. So, we go to Home, and under Resource Manager, open up the Resource Manager. The last icon is Stress Profile. So we select that, and now we click on Add. And then opens an interface to create our stress profile. So we have a start segment 0, and the first part, it was a constant stress level of 60 running all the way up to 100 unit time. So the end segment is 100, and the stress level is constant at 60. And if we want to view that, we click on Verify, and then we're going to see the graph. And here with the graph, we start from 0 down to 100, and we got a constant stress level of 60. So back to our interface, and now we have a rise of 20 units of stress over 20 unit time. So we first consider the time, so we're going to go from 100 to 120, so that's going to be our end point, and we're starting from 60, and then we add a formula, takes t as our variable, and then we subtract 100, and we close the curly bracket. So how does it work? So 60 is our starting point, and then we rise with the angular coefficient of 1, t, and that t takes 120, so 120 minus 100 gives us the value between the curly brackets of 20, which is added on to 60, which means at the end of 120 we will have reached 80 as a stress level. So we want to verify that, and in fact we checked, and we can see that at the end of 120 we reach 80. So we've done the second segment, and now we're going to continue for 100 unit time. So we're going to go to 220, and we're going to have a constant stress level of 80. And we completed the third segment. Now we got another ramp. So we go back, so again we got a rise of 20 unit of stress, so we'll be going from 80 to 100 over 20 unit time. So our endpoint is 240, and again we're going to put in a similar expression to this one, but our starting point is 80, and we're going to add, again is our t minus t takes 240, so we have to subtract 220 to give us a value between the curly brackets of plus 20. So we just verify that, and again that's correct, we've done the second ramp. So now obviously we got another constant of, so we reach 100 as a unit of stress, and we got another constant level of this value for another 100 unit time. So that means we're going to go from 240 to 340, and a constant value of 100. So we're going all the way up, and now we've got to come down. But we don't come down vertically, because if we look back at the previous video, we had a drop of 40, so we were dropping down from 100 down to 60 over 20 unit time. Okay, so we'll be going from 340 to 360, and the value at 360 we expect it to be 60. So we have a negative angular coefficient, but first we're going to insert the endpoint, which is 360, and we have a negative angular coefficient, but it is twice the value we had before on the rise, so it's 2 times t, and then because the value between the curly brackets will be a negative value, we have to add something so that the total value of our expression is positive 60. So 2 times t, that's negative 720. We have to add 780 to give us a total of plus 60. And we can see our profile configured. So now what we can do, we can repeat the cycle if we want. or keep it simple, or keep it just a single profile, but we have to assign a name and then save it, and then we can use it in the analysis of our data. Thank you for watching.